This is Brother Barnes. Please know that I am not an authority on epigenetics. I'm just attempting to wrap my brain around it and explore it with you. There is not a number 8 in the middle of your DNA, okay? There's an octamer. There are 8 proteins that have these little tails hanging out. And since the protein has 2 ends, perhaps I should have put 16 tails. I just put 8 tails on the number 8s. Think about DNA as spaghetti, and think about how fragile a piece of cooked spaghetti is. Well, if it's wound around and stabilized by proteins, then it might have more integrity. Maybe that's how things work. I'm not the one that put all this together. The histone, this octamer in the middle, is what DNA is wound around. This unit altogether is called the nucleosome. And apparently it can be locked or unlocked with different tags that are placed on it. This is a methyl group, a CH3. Here's an acetyl group. It's basically a double bonded carbon with a methyl group hanging off this end. Here is the question. True or false? The histone is the protein complex around which the DNA is wound. I will put some links to things I've studied which might enlighten us in the description below the video.